Hey, it's Saturday, December 27th, and I'm hanging out with my buddy, and I'm going to make him watch me do an unboxing video of the Meteor meat thing. It's a meat thermometer, and you do steak with it. Here's the unboxing video. Yay, there's the thing. Here it is.
Oh, baby.
Oh, boy.
Oh, yeah.
All right, and then it's hard to do with one hand.
It always is.
There's the back side of it, and it's got a it's got I can't change focus. It's got an alkaline battery, and it's got a little tab in there. And then, in order to use this, you have to download the app off of the App Store, and so we downloaded it. It's downloaded, and so we're gonna open it, and this is out. Put this back into place, and oh no, we have to create an account. And it wants all that information. Okay, hold the marketing emails and I agree to the privacy policy. There we go. Now I got a meat. I got one probe. What is this? Is this which version is this? Okay, this is the Meteor Plus, because it says plus right there. Yes, I have the plus sign right there, yes. And I agree to charge the battery and the burn hazard and the foodborne illness hazard and the sharp point hazard. Wow, they actually have warnings for all of those things. It's kind of amusing. And all right, so it's going to get hot there, and it's got less hot there, and that take that out. I already did that. Wait, 2 minutes, 2 hours. All right, I don't have time for that. And then Bluetooth pair it. All right, continue. Allow. Continue. Allow. Important alerts permissions. Yeah, okay, you can have permissions. Warning, your steak is burning. Where's Meteor? Meteor. It wants access to tell me about things. I wonder if it's going to tell me about like advertisements and stuff. Meteor, great.
You're missing out. Join our community of meat thermometer enthusiasts.
Yes. It's asking to turn on Bluetooth. Yes, you would turn on the Bluetooth. All right. Take it out. Oh, try it again. I took it out. Yeah, I found it. All right. Continue. Yeah, no thanks, Bitwarden. Let's get started. Cook setup, roasting, reverse searing. All right, let's look at the steak that we're cooking today.
Just a little guy.
Like literally a little guy. It's a baby steak.
Third of a pound.
We just wanted to have something to put this in.
Quantity, or quality, not quantity.
Yeah. All right, it shows you how to use it, and it plays you a video. You can watch that yourself. And then it tells you how to cook a steak. You're supposed to let it sit. All right, and then you're supposed to sear it. I guess that's pretty simple. All right, so now it's I'm gonna warm it up with my hand just so that we get.
It's not gonna read your hand.
It's gonna read my hand. It says it's 66. Now it's up to 70, 73, 75. All right, it works. Great. And the ambient temperature, I think that one's a much higher one because it's got to read outside the steak. This end reads the meat you eat. This reads the meat that it wants to greet. All right, let's cook a steak. There's a line on here. You see the line?
You got to keep this thing in here.
The whole idea is that you cook it. We're putting the thermometer
in middle.
Put the. Oh, the steak isn't big enough.
Okay, it's in there up to the line.
All right. We're doing the edge first.
I'm trying to burn that little bit of fat off. a bad idea. That's not how I check meat.
This lives in there the entire time. Oh, I was supposed to do something with the app. All right, it's temperaturing. The ambient is 117 degrees. The internal is 62 degrees. All right, so we're looking for 120 as the temperature that we're seeking. That's the old school way of doing it. 85.
Alright, that looks good. Now that thing's just like touching the cast iron there.
Yeah, I mean, that's probably not ideal, but, you know. Yeah, thank you. But it says 223 degrees at 98 internal. So we're still cooking the inside. Oh yeah.
130 is rare. Actually, I think not 120.
What do you think?
I'll let it go to 120.
116. 117. 120. Taking it off. Putting it, letting it rest. At 4 minutes, 14 seconds. It's usually 3 minutes per side.
Yeah, on a bigger piece of meat. So we did 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes per side.
It is continuing sitting on the plate to reach temperature. So it's at 127 right now,
Oh, interesting.
but it has not increased in a minute now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. $129. It's getting hotter. You're oiling it up. Oh yeah. Look at that. 130. 131. We're up to 139, just letting it sit. All right, we're gonna have a snack of steak. It's been sitting now for about, I don't know,
What is the
7 minutes. It's 139 degrees.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. And it just dropped to 138.
We hardly went over 140.
So we're gonna give it a nice cut.
Let's see what we got here, huh?
The edge I expect to be edge meat. Can you turn it so I can see it? Oh, that looks nice. That looks like medium well. Still medium. Oh, that's pretty perfect. I mean, unless you like it like really pink, that looks like a medium rare, like the ideal actual real medium rare on this baby steak. All right, so we're through the heart of it at medium rare. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Got a nice color all the way through.
There it is, folks. That is the Meteor thermal thing. That's it. Spend your money and you get to experience this.
You were not paid for this sponsorship.
No, I was gifted this from my sister. Yeah, this is us on video eating steak. What do you think about this, Kev?
Delicious. Tender, flavorful, cooked to perfection, buttery,
Here's to you.
crispy,
You could have done this without the thermometer.
tender. I could.
You've been doing this without the thermometer.
Thermometer was nice to know that what I've been doing was the right thing.
Delicious. Subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.